Welcome to Engineering Equipment Essentials. Today, we'll learn how to produce fibers using a hybrid spinning method. This technique combines the principles of force spinning and electrospinning to create nanofibers. The hybrid machine operates similarly to a force spinning machine, which utilizes centrifugal force to generate nanofibers. In force spinning, a polymer solution is placed in a spinneret, and the centrifugal force pushes the solution through the needle, forming thin fibers. Our hybrid machine integrates electrospinning as well. In electrospinning, a high voltage is applied to the polymer solution, creating an electric field. This field causes polymer droplets to elongate and form continuous fibers as they are drawn towards a collector. By combining these two methods, we can get our hybrid machine. First, we have our syringe and our syringe holder for our polymer solution. We use a cut syringe, usually around 1 milliliter, to hold our solution. First, pump the solution into the syringe. Then, place a needle on the syringe. Careful, don't poke yourself. Next, carefully insert the solution into the cut syringe until it is full. Once your solution is in the syringe, attach a needle and carefully place it into the syringe holder. Inside the machine, you can adjust the distance between the collectors and the spinnerets. On top of the machine, you will notice several slots arranged in two different rows. A long row made up of 8 slots and a short row made up of 5 slots. Before placing the syringe holder into the spinneret, you need to adjust the RPM. Turn the flip switch on, and then use the rotating switch to change the RPM, turning it right to increase and left to decrease. You can measure the RPM using a tachometer. Hold it to turn it on, and then click it once more to get the current RPM. You can also adjust the voltage of both the positive and the negative power source. Be careful when handling voltages and always remember to turn them off when you are done. When the power is on, the door should always remain shut. Do not exceed 18 kilovolts as it will damage our power sources. Once everything is set, place your syringe holder into the spinneret with the power source turned off. Close the door and turn all 3 switches on. Depending on your solution, the machine settings, and the lab's temperature and humidity, you can create nanofibers using the hybrid machine. Now that everything is set, you can do your fibers. To collect the nanofibers, ensure everything is turned off, double check the power source. Then open the hybrid machine and collect your nanofibers. There are many ways to collect them, but I personally wrap a piece of aluminum foil around a glass slide and collect the fibers this way. Once you are done collecting all the fibers, now you need to clean up. First, you can start with your collectors. These are the easiest jobs, as the simplest is just taking away the wrap. Continue by removing all the collectors from the machine. To remove the spinneret, use a screwdriver or tweezer and carefully lift it up. Make sure you remove both and don't poke yourself with the needle. Remove the cut syringe. Make sure you immediately cover your needles with the cap and dispose of your needles in the sharp containers. When cleaning, you need to use ethanol solutions, as any other solvent can be damaging to the machine. Make sure to clean the doors and walls for any fiber residue and dispose of everything in the proper containers. You have now produced and collected a mat of nanofibers. Thank you to the UTRGV Nanotechnology Center for excellence, and thank you for watching.